Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to check your cPanel error logs. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to unmute it. So first of all, open your cPanel and then open File Manager. And now open public HTML. And now inside of this public HTML we need to create a new file. So click on File and give the file name here test.php. Create new files. So here's the file. Right click above and click on edit, and now here we have to put a code, and you will find this code in video description below. So paste the code here and click on save changes. And now to check the error logs, open a new tab and type here your domain name or website name, and then give a slash and type the file name here test.php and hit enter. And if your website has any error, you will find those error here. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to unmute it. Thank you for watching.